Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a Ford Focus MK4, that's 2019 to 2021 models, and I'm going to show you where to find the sunroof or moonroof fuse fast and easy. There are two places you'll find them, under the hood and inside the car. Let's start with the engine bay fuse box. If you're not sure how to access this fuse box, don't worry. I've got a separate video that walks you through it step by step. But once you're in, the first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 45. It's a 20 amp J-case fuse in blue color. Then you want to check fuse number 55. This bad boy handles the moonroof and power windows on most MK4 South. If it's blown, swap it out with a 20 amp J-case fuse. Pop in the new one, turn the key to accessory mode, and test those windows. If they're working, boom, you crushed it. Now let's move to the interior fuse box. This one's hiding in the footwell area under the glove box. You might need to get down low and look up underneath to spot it. Just pull off the cover and boom, fuses are right there. Look for the little red 10 amp fuse. That's the one dedicated to the moonroof. If that fuse is toast, swap it and give it a test run. And that's it. Super simple. Check those fuses if your moonroof is giving you trouble. If this video helped you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our future DIY guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.